So, for July Sips of Sanity, we were asked to create something from our patrons, and they gave us feedback and asked us to create a little mini series on intuition. So, we accepted the challenge, and here we are.
So what can we look forward to in the next couple shows then?
Okay, so we're going to tackle what blocks people from using their intuition in 2 shows.
Okay.
Because there are a ton of blocks that come from an internal source and blocks that come from what other people around you can say or do or not say and do that affect whether you feel strong enough or courageous enough or just playful enough to try and see where your intuition is at. And then we're going to step into the last 2 shows to actually build your intuition, and we're going to give you the tools to do it.
Okay. Good week.
It is.
Sips of Sanity airs the first week of every month. Catch the full series on patreon.com/BySarlo.